Just throw it on the chicken. Didn't feel good at all. Let's turn this thing over.
Okay, you're being recorded.
Here it's sizzling from the heat of the meat.
Yep.
That's how hot that meat is. Wow. Way too hot. Likely to start the lamb on fire if I'm not careful. You know what, I need a little water.
Alright, I'll get you some water. You got the hose right there, I can get you a bucket.
You know, I better not because that's going to, oh shoot.
So the thing that's cooking the meat are just that little bit of coals there.
Degrees. Should be cooking at 250, but the middle's cooking at 275, and that's a problem. Exactly 200 degrees. Look at that.
Moving the heat back.
Yeah, you don't want any, George was telling me that, but I didn't really realize how important it is.
You want
need
to
the heat away
on.
from the middle because that's where it sticks out.
Well, I know in the middle is like the skinniest part.